this is where our soft and tidal wave We're getting out more or less 3 to 4 kilometers where the sea is going to be very deep already. We're here on volcanic islands in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, so we don't need to go very far to have 1,500 meters of depth. And this is where our soft and tidal whale lives and hunts. And we are very lucky because it only exists 2 times in the world, in the Canarian Islands and here in the...
Today we are on a no-chase boat trip. Grace booked it for us online, and we're hoping to see some dolphins and some whales, hopefully. They're just chilling down there. I was a little bit uncomfortable, so I'm on the higher up bench that's a bit flatter. But yeah, you can see Tenerife behind us. Oh wow, that's so cool.
Es un parque nacional ahora también que se llama el Parque Tenerife. Es el patrimonio de la ballena. Aquí los animales son protegidos. When the family got together here, we could really see how they salute each other. So they're very strong relations, and they're very social animals. And they're real families that will stay together all their lives. Only the grown-up males, they will change from group to reproduce, but then they come always back to the main family. Family can have until 13 members, and the females are pregnant during 15 months, and when they have their baby they are always together for at least 4 years, and the males in the group are hunting more, and they hunt up to a depth of 1,000 meters where the pressure is very high, and this has an effect on the body of the male whale, so they won't live as long than the females, more or less 45 years, and the females up to 60 years. Here on the right hand side we have 2 more, and the female can get until 5 babies in her lifetime, and once she's in menopause her duty in the group is changing, and she will make something like a kindergarten, so they will give protection to the young amount of the group of the other females, so they can also go hunt and feed. So they are mammals like us. They need air to breathe, and they need fresh water, and the fresh water they get it out of her food source. In this case 70% of the water they need out of the squid, and 30% out of little fishes and other stuff they eat. those you can't see them better, and also the dolphins, so the two residential species. I hope you all enjoyed it. When we arrive now at the harbor and you're getting off the boat, you have the possibility to leave a little tip to the crew if you want to, but of course the most important is that you leave the boat with good memories, that you enjoyed the vacations here in Tenerife, and that you come back very soon to get out again with us in the Bahriyeli. Thank you very much, and bye bye.